Hey everyone, my name's Courtney and I'm here with Gloria, and today we're going to be talking about our ENGI-460 Homework 7. Alright, so here's the problem description. We're going to consider a single server queue. Let A denote the inter-arrival time between customers, S is the service time of customer, and W is the waiting time in the queue.
Okay, so there are three parts, A, B, and C. We're first going to go over A, and then B and C. Once you do C, it kind of proves that your B was correct, so we're combining those. So the first thing we're going to do is show that the wait time for the ith customer is the max of either 0 or the wait time of the customer in front of I minus the inner arrival time plus the service time. And then in the next two parts, we're going to simulate this using the Poisson distribution, and we're going to generate random numbers, and then we're going to see what the wait times are. Additionally, in part C, we are going to have different values of traffic intensity, so lambda over mu. So we're going to have lambda equals 0.5, and then also going to test lambda equals 0.99. So that's low traffic intensity and high traffic intensity.
Okay, so for part A, the ith customer's waiting time, basically to get to the front of the queue, will be the same waiting time as the person before him or her, with the inter-arrival time subtracted. But once the ith person is first in line, he or she has to wait until the customer in front is done being serviced. The equation shown here is basically describing that. And then in the case that the inter-arrival time exceeds both the wait time and service, which results in a negative wait, the true wait would really be 0. So say it's a really slow day and there's a lot of time in between customers. So the calculated wait time would be negative, which isn't true, so you would use 0.
And now we'll do our MATLAB demonstration. Okay, so this is parts B and C. N is going to be 1,000, so we're going to run through this 1,000 times. We just chose that number. And we have two lambdas here, 0.5 and 0.99, and though we're using the Poisson distribution, this is uniform, but because of these, the 1 over lambda and 1 over mu, that gives us the Poisson distribution. And then this portion right here is what Courtney just talked about, the max between 0 or this little equation of the wait time and inter-arrival time and service time. So let's run it. So as you can see, the titles give you which one. This is the lambda equals 0.5, so this is the low traffic intensity. This is pretty stationary, and so it seems like anytime you come, you're going to have basically the same wait time. You can see down here, mean is 0.9 with a standard deviation of 1.53. But in the second chart, where it's high traffic intensity, you can see wait times. It's not stationary, so maybe in the beginning it's okay, but after a while, the customers are going to be waiting a really long time. So the mean is 22.85 with a standard deviation of 16.73. But these vary a lot, the second graph especially, so if I ran it again, you can see now it's 17 and 11. And that's all we have today. Thanks for watching.